How would you like to quit smoking and never want to go back? You know, I smoked for about 8 to 10 years, and although it helped me with, some stress levels and keeping my anxiety down and things like that, it also hindered me in several other aspects of my life, which really started to wear on me to the point where I needed to quit. I needed to make a change. And it was really difficult. I ended up quitting, and it never went by, or there never went a day where I didn't want to go back. Although I knew I hated the bad breath, I hated the lack of energy. I couldn't go for a run without losing my breath pretty much instantly, along with other negative benefits, which if you're a smoker and you're watching this video, you might suffer from some of these negative symptoms. Now, I did end up quitting for about 2 years, but with work, and I work in the bar industry, and it can get stressful, and those smoke breaks are pretty much your only getaway, your only way to go outside and just refresh and relax for almost a minute, right? So if you're not a smoker, you don't really get to benefit from those, in my sense anyways. So I decided to look for a better way. So what I did was I went to YouTube, and I started searching around for alternatives to smoking to keep your stress levels down, and I found vaping. Now, what I have right here is a pretty intimidating vape if you've never done this before. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to break down how simple it is, and why, 3 reasons why I believe that, maybe vaping isn't the end all be all and it's not the solution, but what if it's better than smoking, right? What if you still get the same benefits but with a lot less of the negatives, right? I can still go to the gym every day while vaping. I don't have to worry about bad breath because the flavors are actually really amazing. And another bonus, which, for me is kind of cool, I don't crave sweets as much because the flavor is kind of sweet. So you can get sweeter flavors, or, any flavor to resemble whatever whatever food or anything that you like. You can get apple pie or Gatorade, or, I have Sour Patch Kids in here right now. But, the cool thing about it is not only does it not have the negatives, but it's very simple. And for anybody that is looking to, try something, maybe you've tried the patches, I tried the patches, the gum, whatever. It's that feeling of the smoking, I believe, is what keeps people, tied down to it. You just want to go out and you just want to have a smoke, right? With vaping, it's very similar. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to recommend a beginner-friendly vape, which anybody can get used to, because a lot of people, they try to start out with the smaller vapes, that don't have as much power, and they don't give you the same effect as smoking. Now, with the bigger vapes, it's going to take a little bit of time to get used to. It's going to take 1 to 5 or 7 days to get used to the vape. But once you get used to it and you get used to your flavor, and you find a flavor that you like, it really is, it's really beneficial, and it's a great way to substitute smoking. I haven't wanted to smoke, and some days, if I leave my vape at home, I don't even miss it, right? I can go days without vaping. That's not really, I don't really go through withdrawals if I don't have my vape with me. I'm just like, oh crap, I forgot it. Right? And, with the Sour Patch Kids, it's amazing flavor. And you can make some pretty awesome clouds. So let's jump over to my screen. I'm going to share with you guys, how to get a beginner's guide, a beginner's setup to vaping. And it's going to cost you under $100, shipped directly to your door. And I'm going to even give you a discount. All right, guys. So we're in my screen here. And what I'm going to share with you is what I believe to be the best starter kit. I personally love these smock sticks. So if you guys want to get access, all you have to do is click the link below this video, head over to Vapor DNA, and then just go over to Devices and click on Starter Kits. That's going to bring you to this page. I would just scroll through. This G-Priv right here is the one that I have. It's a little bit more advanced. You have your batteries. You have to get a battery charger. If you want to step your game up and get into one of these, you can definitely do that. But for, the beginner, somebody who's never, set up a vape before or never tried it, this is what I believe to be the best way to get set up. Now, this is the Smock Stick Prince. Sorry, let me just clear my throat there. And you can get it in any choice of colors, right? You can pick whatever colors you want: gold, black, purple, red. You don't need any batteries or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. So it's going to be $44 for this setup, and all you're going to have to do is it's literally plug and play. So you're going to plug it into the wall, charge it, and then you're going to take it with you on your day. It's going to, it's got enough battery life where it should last. I can take mine wherever I go. I actually have a new one coming because I gave my old one to a friend. So I have this one on the way, but you're also going to be able to get a discount code. So if you type in DNA10, they'll be in the link below. I'll give you a brief little code, and you can just copy that. But on your checkout, that's going to give you a discount on your first order. So definitely want to take advantage of that. But that's how you're going to, get your first setup. Now, if you want to go through your e-liquids, this is where it gets really, really interesting. So as you guys see here, there is so many different types of e-liquids. So what I recommend doing is, grab one or two different flavors to start out with and see what you like. Maybe you like fruits, so go find a fruit flavor that you like. Or maybe you like desserts, right? So say we click on the dessert flavor. There's going to be so many different choices, and the best part about Vapor DNA, which you're not going to get if you go to your local vape shop, you're just going to get one person's opinion. But with these, you get over 200 reviews, right? You get real people's feedback on what's going on here, and this vaping community is growing exponentially. So for under $100, you can get started. And if you were like me, I used to smoke a pack a day. It was running me about $100 a week. Now, ever since I started vaping, I can go to the store, I can get a 5-pack of coils, or I order it from Vapor DNA, and I get a 5-pack of coils, and I get my juice for under $100. It's about $50 to $60 every single month to keep vaping. So that is a huge price decrease from my $100 a week when I was smoking. So for me, that is a smart choice. Plus, I love the flavor of them. I get compliments all the time. Holy crap, what juice are you using? Then people want to try it. You know what I mean? So you're going to get those people. And, what I recommend doing is don't be that pushy. Once you start it and you love it, you're going to want to share it with everybody because that's just natural. But just don't be that pushy guy. Let them come to you. Let them smell the flavors, and they'll eventually come to you. I have multiple friends that have quit smoking, including my dad, and started vaping, and it's helped all of them. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys got some value from it. If you guys have any questions, there is links to get in touch with me, so definitely check those out. Shoot me a message, and send me a picture of your first vape and what juice you're using. I'd love to see what your favorite flavor is. Maybe I'll try it out and do a vape review on it. But definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next vaping video. Have a great day.